Well, welcome back. Welcome to the Blue Bike and Doors channel. Dickin around in the shed. As you can hear, it's raining, and with that going on, not much way we can do a dicking around unless you want to hear that and probably put you to sleep. And what you do when it's raining, you order parts. That's what I'm doing, ordering parts. I looked for the S10. Yeah, run that intro. Like my Fab Rats cap. Yeah, I was really stressing over getting the oil filter off. Yeah, that's the oil filter off the S10. I had one of these things that clamps, you know, more pressure you put on it, the higher it cranks. Well, it just twisted and I ended up ripping it off. That leaves this part right here that's on the oil filter thing. I mean, it was seized on there real good. So, what did I do? I'll show you.
Yeah. And also, that's part of, it's one of them belt kind you put on there, and I tried, I almost made me one of these, but the belt broke too, so I went and bought one, broke it too. But that left me, because this is a 1/2 inch. So, I took a piece of metal, I drilled holes in it. I bolted bolts up through it. First time I bolted bolts up, I only screwed the top right here, one bolt, nut. These nuts! And that's a 1/4. And, it bent and broke, so I said, what if I put another, these nuts on here? And then that way, I got up in here like so. And see? That's what I did. It went and popped loose. And so, if you ever run into that problem, you know what to do. If you got some mad fabrication skills. Yep. I figured I'd break the wheel, but nope. That's how you do it.
Oh yeah, them parts I ordered, they came in.
Parts for the S10. What did I get? Let's see. Oh, they put it on some tape and what did I get? That paper. That's not 1/2 inch. 1/2 inch ODR. That's it. This is cutter and some thread lock. That's cool. Will that work on these? I also bought these. These are these screw down in the airbag. And you can swivel them, and then you take this hose and you stick it in like so. Yes, it is like so. I'm not gonna do it. Once you put it in there and lock it, it clamps in there with little balls. So you just push it and locks it. And yeah, bought these. Let's put these back in there. That's 50 feet of airlines. Run up to the front. Oh, the S10. I bought some of this trick gauges here. These are done with a mountain stuff. Got a pressure switch. You ain't gotta run airlines in it. They digital. Light up blue. Alright, so I got that. What else did I order? The other one, he had the old style, you gotta run the lines off of that, but all I gotta do is put this pressure switch they gave me. Comes with it. It all, there's your pressure switch, it turns it into digital. And then you're wiring everything plug and play. Well, you gotta wire it positive, negative, and all like that. And then you, yeah. So I got 4 of those, one for each airbag. Yeah, I couldn't say I might need one for the tank, but it's got a pressure switch that cuts the pumps off. Oh, there it quits raining. We'll get through that. Oh yeah, got this.
Yes. USB ports. that's like a cigarette lighter, but these are USB port. Because you watched in Bam, it rained a lot, and she forgot to plug her this part that keeps the rain out of it. Got to do that. So, water got down in there and messed this up. I got two, because I might transfer my cigarette lighter to one of these. Yeah, let's do that. But you probably won't want to watch it because it's loud in here and it's, you know, we'll see. Maybe we'll just put music with it, because all I got to do is take that off and do some plug and play. Also, she liked to lost her phone because she don't have the rubber things on it. So I ordered her a quad lock. Rest part right here with a ball. She already had all this. I just took it off to make it easier. So it was here when we got back from Bam. Yeah. That's slacking off a little bit. I don't have to talk so loud. So what I'm doing here is I just took this sling mod thing, and I need to glue that back on there. I'll do that in a minute. I need to cut this little zip tie off. Like so. That takes this little rubber thingy off, like so. We'll say solder the thing together, like so. Putting it on with. So let's get the soldering done. Alright, as you can see, I got this off. I'm going to have to clean them wires up. I wanted it to just use a you know, butt connection. I don't know if I got any. Not butt connection, whatever connection you call it. I don't think I do. I might. Let me see if I got any. Well, it slacked off a little bit. You can hear me now. Well, we coming along nicely. I'm working on this over here. Which now you over there, now you can't see, but you know, heating up the hot glue gun. If you don't know by the name, that hot glue is hot. Yep. Hot glue is hot, and it takes some time to heat up. Yep. Follow me, cameraman. If you go ahead and put your heat shrink over the wire before you solder it and cut, you can pull it up and then heat it up. Good tip. Don't do it after you solder, then you gotta cut it loose. Yep. Your hot side is the silver side. If you don't do that right, you might mess up your whatever you plug it into here. But it won't come on. The light won't come on unless you do it the right way. Oh, huh, how about that? If you look real close, it says positive and negative on it. Duh! I'm a dumbass. Alright, now we gotta solder all this wire together and put it on here. Yeah, buddy! Boy, I'm getting it. I'm getting it. I should have waited. Yeah, buddy, I'm getting it. Try to put this little rubber boot thingy they got in there. Try to keep it dry. Look. Can you see? Can you see the little blue light? It means it's working. I need a zip tie. Zip tie. watching. Win-win. Remember, happy wife, happy life. And I'm going to put my tools up. This episode brought to you by Husky Tools from Home Depot. Oh shit, sorry. Nobody's seen that. We don't need that no more. That goes in the trash. Yep. We'll be right back to close it out. See that little thing? You gotta turn you. You don't want your dead cat to show. Remember to put your tools back where you got them from, so you remember where you put them. Leave them right there. I know where they at. So if you would, thank you for watching. Before the rain starts coming back, you can pick up your Fab Rats hat at fabrat.com. Check out that video right there, and that one, and hit the subscribe button. I appreciate it. It's free. Yep. Later.